Hello students, in this video I will be discussing about a very important named reaction, that is Etart's reaction. Etart's reaction is used as a relatively easy method of converting toluene into benzaldehyde. In Etart's reaction, a methyl group which is bonded to an aromatic ring or a heterocyclic ring is oxidized into an aldehyde. So we can say that the Etart's reaction is an oxidation reaction. The oxidizing agent used here is chromyl chloride, which is a chromium based mild oxidizing agent. For the Etart's reaction, the most common solvent used is carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. Chloroform can also be used as solvent for this reaction. If we carefully observe, in this reaction, methyl group is oxidized into an aldehyde group and not into acid group. So, the oxidizing agent used is clearly a mild oxidizing agent. When chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride is used as oxidizing agent, it converts toluene into an intermediate complex first. In this intermediate complex, the two hydrogen atoms of methyl group is replaced by OCrOH Cl2 group, which we get from the chromyl chloride reagent. This complex is then hydrolyzed into an aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. Toluene can also be oxidized into benzaldehyde by using another mild oxidizing agent, that is chromium trioxide in acetic anhydride. When the reaction is carried out, toluene is first converted into benzyl diacetate. The benzyl diacetate formed can regenerate benzaldehyde on hydrolysis. Similarly, toluene can also be converted into benzaldehyde by side chain chlorination. When toluene is chlorinated in the presence of light, the two hydrogen atoms of methyl group bonded to benzene ring are replaced by chlorine atom. There is a substitution reaction which results in benzyl chloride. This benzyl chloride on hydrolysis can produce benzaldehyde. This is actually the commercial method used for the manufacture of benzaldehyde.